Today we're going to be looking at how to use the app Google Drive to take a photo of the work that you've completed and upload it to Google Drive so that you can share it with your teacher. So I'm in an iPad. This will be the same for an Android device. Specifically a phone or a tablet, the Chromebook might be difficult to do, but it is possible. So you're going to open the app and you're inside your drive here. You're going to click on the plus sign and we're going to use the camera to create new. So the camera comes up. I have the paper that I have been working on. I'm just going to take a quick picture and I can use the photo, and then you're going to have to allow it to access the photos, and this is uploading already to Google Drive. Once the file is uploaded, you can scroll to it. You'll be able to see the picture that we took right there, the image of the math work. And to share that file with a teacher, you're simply going to touch the three dots in the right hand corner and choose share. It's the little person with the plus sign. At this point, you're going to enter an email address, and I want you to enter in mine. So whatever picture you take today, this is the email address you're going to share it with. When you press enter there, it'll add my email address. You can send me a message, and your message can just be done and sent.